Hello, everybody. Welcome to Philbrook's Happy Hour. I'm your host, Lesley Nelson from Hodges Bend. And today I am going to demonstrate a martini made in my very own kitchen. All right, let's get started. I am using a London dry gin, a dry vermouth, a little bit of orange bitters. I'm going to garnish with lemon. All right. So I'm going to do a classic 2-to-1 ratio of 2 ounces gin, 1 ounce dry vermouth. And you can do a reverse martini, which is 2 ounces of vermouth and 1 ounce gin. Those are awesome. You can do a 50-50 or equal parts. So, I mean, the possibilities are endless. So just whatever you're feeling like today. Alright, if you don't have gin, use some vodka. You don't have dry vermouth, you can use sweet vermouth. And you can also use like a Chambéry vermouth. It's a sweeter white vermouth. And those are awesome in reverse martini. So there's that option also. Alright, oh, I need ice. Alright, and it's really important to pre-chill your glass beforehand. Secret of the pros. Alright. Now you don't have to stir this. You can build it straight on ice and enjoy it that way. You can shake it. And you want your martinis super, super, super cold. Alright. So I'm going to be here for a little bit. But I should mention, if you'd like to leave a virtual tip, there is a GoFundMe link in Hodges Bend Facebook, and every single donation goes straight to the employees of Hodges Bend, and that's front of house and back of house. Every single donation will be greatly appreciated. And hey, if you can't give right now, let's just enjoy this drink together. Okay? Oh my God. All right, and you know you can always use olive for garnish, or if you got pickled onion, you can do that and you got yourself a Gibson. So, oh my God. Whew, stay safe, y'all. Stay home. Cheers.